How to contact customer support on Changelly. Are you guys facing issues to contact customer support on Changelly? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for Changelly website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, you'll be forwarded to this interface. Now, just simply look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this AI icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this section. Just simply select chat. After you select chat, you need to write down your name, your email address, and your transaction ID. Once you fill up all these details, just simply tap and start the chat. Once you click and start the chat, you will be forwarded to the customer support. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to contact Changelly customer support. If you guys have any issues regarding Changelly, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.